Hello friends, this is Senpai and welcome back to my another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I paint lips from start to finish. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to make another layer for the lips and then pick the kind of reddish color and draw two dots for represent the corner of the lips and draw a connected line. So this one I kind of want the lips to be slightly opened. So I think here we got a quick sketch. I picked the color for the skin from the eye painting. Yep, and then make the folder for the eyes, and then pen it. Make another layer, and then put the skin layer underneath the line art, and yeah, pick the red color from the line art the sketch, and then paint it. I use the soft brush because I feel like it's very well. If I use the hard brush for the lips, it's not going to be that sweet. I It's hard to describe. Yep, it's gonna be too stiff. So I want the lips to look uh kind of sweet. Okay, then I'm going to merge the layer together, but I still feel like the lips are uh too saturated, so I'm uh, going to fix it a bit. I picked the dark color for the underneath the lips to make the lip look like they are like three-dimensional, not too flat. I feel like the color is not very it's not what I really like, so I hit Control M to for the curve and then adjust it a bit. Okay, so this is the color that I like. Then I make another layer and set it to multiply mode. But first let's delete this one. Alright, yeah, pick the color and then kind of darker color and make it look a little bit darker in the inside the lip. And then I'm gonna merge the layer and adjust a little bit, and then okay. And then I'm gonna make another layer and then set it to linear dodge, and then pick the color that's kind of pinkish and then pen it, and then uh, make another layer, set it to multiply. And another layer for the highlights. I really like doing highlights. And then polish it. Polish it. I'm going to make another group for lips because, wait, lips, lips, please, lips, yes. And let's see with the eyes if they look okay together. The lip is done, yes. Not very difficult. Yeah, they look okay. Wait. Jesus. Looks so stupid. This is masterpiece, you know. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. All right. I hope this video will be helpful for you and yeah, let me know what you think and we'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye bye.